All right, traders. Got my daily goal in the first hour again and ran and did errands the rest of the day. This is to watch this video for Thursday, October 12th. You can see the SPY sitting at all-time highs. IWM kind of right at flagging at all-time highs as well. Here is the list, and it's a big one. There's a lot of stocks worth watching, in my opinion, this week. So MTBC, really strong move, and then came back down, kind of found support. Nice volume today, looks to be heading back up. That is on potential long watch tomorrow. Remember, as you watch these videos, I'm a day trader. I'm looking for ways to make money tomorrow. I'm in cash every night. AKTX had a huge move back here and then went all the way down below 4. Nice spike here, nice secondary spike here. Came back down to support, and then today, a little bit of extra volume. We'll see if we can get a follow through on that bounce tomorrow. ROKA, nice quiet inside day after that huge move. Pretty good setup there. Remember, I'll only take trades if they give me a proper intraday setup, one of the A+ setups that we teach in our trading course. Otherwise, I'm just in cash. ITUS, nice, I don't know, week and a half support in this area and starting to move back up. And it was a huge move from here to here. Definitely worth watching for a follow-through day tomorrow. SRAX, kind of a quiet inside day today. That one, it held up pretty well, and it had that big move 2 sessions ago. Absolutely worth watching. CAPR, nice green day right off the 20-day. 2 days in a row bounced off the 20-day, switching to 15-minute candles here. Nice support below. This one might be ready to head back up. Good candidate. Let's see, LINU. Huge move, then right back down, then another nice pop, and now kind of a quiet inside day, but hanging out near the highs of yesterday's big moves, or at least in the upper half of yesterday's big move. I think that one's definitely worth watching. When it gets moving, it really moves. ONTX. Mentioned this one today on an intraday basis. Over this kind of an opening range breakout, which it did in the afternoon. It didn't really follow through big, but anyway, it's a little extended now from the moving averages, but I'm going to keep it on watch. If I had to take one off my chart, that might be it. LBIX, huge 2-day move, but gave back a lot of it today. You never know. This is one that it could be a good short, could be a good long. We're going to have to wait and see. But if this gives a good long setup, you can see how nicely this thing can move. So it deserves to be on watch. That's where I make my living, by the way. Stocks that have shown that they can make really, really big moves in a short period of time, especially percentage-wise. KTOV, huge move. We never want to, log in the next day and chase something. And you can see the last time it made a big move, what it did. It gapped down and just sold off. And then you had the gap down here, which makes this kind of interesting because it looked like this stock was done forever. Next thing you know, it rises back up, finds support, lower high, and then today just rips higher. So this could be one worth watching for the next week or so. Could be a multi-day mover. CLSN, man, right back up near recent highs. Wayne made a nice call on this one today that helped me get to my daily goal in the first hour. CLSN, worth watching. It's a little extended, 3 days in a row up to get to that area, but you never know. Again, with the proper setup, worth it. This is kind of a sleeper play, APHB. Just, straight sideways, but nice volume about a week ago, and it's kind of flagging ever since. And this one, let's go to 15s. You can see it really does make some nice moves here from like $1, I don't know, $1.04 all the way up to $1.35. This was a nice intraday move, and then, nice support below. So I think it's worth watching. It's definitely kind of a sleeper pick, but we'll see. ARDX, worth watching. This closed at 540. In after hours, as I'm speaking, it's trading at 725. So possible gap and go play tomorrow. It was as high as $9, by the way, in after hours. So I think they had positive news, and we're going to keep our eyes on that one. ARDX, what's next? RGSE gapped up on good news, but could not get going. And fell all day. I think that's still worth keeping. Now you've got support in this area between $1.80, $1.60, and $1.80. Don't know if it's going to make it all the way back down to there. This is a good candidate for one that could turn back up and rip one of these days. And then lastly, I've got a sub-dollar stock, RPRX. Really nice 2-day move, and then 2 days lower on declining volume. That's a good setup for a potential trade tomorrow as well. Believe me, that's plenty to watch, and we're going to add gappers in the morning as well. So have a great night, and we'll see everybody tomorrow.